to assist in creating new opportunities for industries. Over its 40 years, ITRI has incubated more than 244 startups and spin-offs, including TSMC, UMC, TMC, and Epistar, next-generation communication, man-machine interface, semiconductor optoelectronics, 3D IC packaging, intelligent automation to people's needs for living a wonderful life. In quality health, ITRI focuses on the development of innovative therapeutic biologics, combination materials, and research and development covers bioelectronics and imaging, biomarkers, orthopedic devices, botanical medicines, and rapid prototyping of medical devices, all with the goal of creating a high value-added biomedical technology industry, safeguarding and improving people's health via developments in key enabling technologies. ITRI serves a dual role as a think tank and promoter of industrial development. To meet sustainability goals, ITRI is committed to developing innovative green energy and environmental technologies for a better future. Along with the research and development of technologies, ITRI also provides comprehensive industrial services. Leveraging it, driving innovation and development is one of ITRI's primary objectives. It has become a model in commercializing technological research and development, with the international community taking note of its efforts. Since involved in community-supported agriculture activities. Being one of the world's leading applied technology R&D institutions, ITRI is committed to working with industry for innovating a better future.